Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I make yaki udon. Yaki means fried in Japanese. Let's enjoy Japanese cuisine with the taste of dried bonito and soy sauce. Finally, I'll introduce the beautiful scenery of Japan, so please watch until the end. I would think this video is good. I would appreciate to push like, subscribe and bell mark. So let's get started. Introduce ingredients: 200g cabbage, 1/4 onion, 60g carrot, 2 eggs, topping with soft-boiled egg at the end. 400g udon. I use frozen udon but also can be boiled udon. 4g dash of bonito. Please grab. 2.5g dried bonito, 20g miso, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm introducing it in a cool way, but I forget to introduce 200g pork belly. Don't forget everyone. First, thaw frozen udon according to the instruction. If using the dried noodles, for example, in the case of raw noodles, it is okay to just line them under running water. Prepare jiggly soft-boiled eggs. In Japanese, it's called onsen tamago. Put eggs in a container and add boiled water. Add covered with a wait for 10 minutes. Don't turn on the heat. Just only pour boiling water and wait. Let's prepare the sauce for fried udon first. Add soy sauce and 20g miso. Then mix well. Peel off the carrot and cut in a half long slice and cut 2mm width. If it is too wide to eat, cut more in half long slice. Cut onion 2mm width. And cabbage. Cut into the 3cm squares. The center part is a lump, so loosen by hand. By loosening it, the sauce permeates to the inside. Cut pork belly into the bite-sized pieces. The meat is raw, so you should change the cutting board. "10 minutes passed while the getting ready. Let it cool immediately. Egg under the running water. If you don't cool it well, the heat will enter and it will harden more and more. If it goes well, it will be jiggly super soft boiled egg like this. So let's fry. Add sesame oil and pork belly, and fry on medium heat. Let's take it out when the fire goes through to some extent. Add carrot, onion, and a little of salt. Fry on medium heat. When onion turns brown, add fried pork belly. and cabbage and fry on medium heat. Stir to some extent and then cover. Steam the ingredients on low heat. 2 minutes later. Add udon and fry on medium heat. Stir to some extent. Add a dash of bonito and the mixed sauce. Soy sauce burns easily. Fry while stirring well. And then add 1 gram dried bonito. Sprinkle the rest at the end and stirring again. When the udon is brown, it's done. And serving. I'm gonna put the egg in it, so it works well if I make a pocket. Then add the remaining dried bonito. It looks like dried bonito is dancing with the heat. And put on soft-boiled egg. Finish!
So let's いただきます。
Let's break the egg and eating it. The taste of dried bonito and soy sauce make me feel Japanese cuisine. I love it. Let's try cooking. From here, I introduce the beautiful scenery of Japan. This is a plum garden in Mie called Suzuka Forest Garden. It looks like cherry blossom, but it is plum. It blooms earlier than cherry blossom and reaches full bloom around the March. Unlike cherry blossom, the weeping feeling shows a different beauty. This is a video of when I went last year, but it is a beauty even in the bad weather like rain. In the nighttime illumination period, you can enjoy spectacular view of 200 magnificent plum trees in bloom, lit up beautiful. If you come to Nagoya or Mie around the March, should come and watching it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. See you next time.